Twisted Adventures. Cool. This is kind of twisted.
Getting nasty.
It's getting really nasty. But it's still morning, so good morning, everybody.
Yes, good morning.
We're going to try our best to get in here and see if we can't get this adventure done.
Have some fun.
But in order to get through this adventure, through that.
Oh yeah, loads of fun.
And it looks extremely black over there. So I'm not sure
That's gonna happen.
if we're actually going to be able to get to it or not. Especially with idiots like that. You'll see that? See that right there? Yeah.
Don't do that.
Wow. Yeah, Mother Nature may not like this video. This may be a bad idea. Okay, well, again, good morning. And
Hope y'all are having an excellent morning. Awesome morning.
can y'all see how dark it's gotten? It is just creepy right now.
It's become very dark all of a sudden.
I mean, it's like it's a lot darker in person than it is on camera, but it literally looks like it's 8 o'clock at night. It is dark. Street lights got turned back on, and it's almost noon. Now, if any of y'all are into gaming,
Yes.
me not so much, but I have a good friend. We have a good friend that we would love to get out with us on some of these adventures. So, once she gets done playing over here and she can actually pull up the link, she took a screenshot of it, but she just, I don't know, apparently she forgot how to open her gallery. Any gamers, go follow him. He is a great guy. He
Awesome
really
guy.
is. He is a great guy. But do me a favor, just to let him know that we sent everybody over there. Y'all need to hashtag. Drop a hashtag. Go get twisted. Let him know that y'all really want to see him get out from behind his gaming screen and go play in the woods with us. Because I have got some great content coming up as soon as Mother Nature lets me get out to him.
Yeah. It seems to be the problem, but it's May, so it may rain, it may shine, it may snow, it may hail, it may do a lot of
You know,
things today.
this is Texas, so yeah, it's raining now. It may be snowing in 10 minutes. Who knows? Yeah, just jump over there and drop a hashtag on him. Tell him to go get twisted with us. Y'all have a great day.
Go get twisted. Have a fun day.
We hope wherever you're at, the weather's a lot better than here.
Yes. Be safe out there.
And we will see y'all here in the near future.